This is interesting how the terrain just changed.
Right? Just turned into these a whole bunch of boulders. You just pop out and you can see this wide open spread. Let's see, we are looking pretty much due north. Getting close to the little loop. I see a little standing like cross.
Yeah. Oh yeah,
like
I see it.
little teepee or something.
Yeah. So Christine and I were talking about going to Marfa Friday morning, and
Okay.
like she was proposing just adults. What that would mean is that we would have to leave pretty much as soon as we woke up. Okay.
Oh, this is the little loop, isn't it? Yeah. So either way, it's just a little loop.
Okay. And
oh yeah, I can see the ranch house.
oh yeah. So that would mean that.
Cool.
Look at that harbor.
Yeah, we just pull over and park right there on the left.
I brought my binoculars.
You're not gonna be right in that, are you?
Wonder what that. I'm gonna kind of come through here. Just watching for.
Oh, is that like the remains of a bed?
I'm not sure. It does look like the remains of a bed. You're absolutely right. Yeah. It's got the like hook in. But this was like somebody's house.
That looks like a part of a car right there. Look on the wall.
Oh, that may be. Like a muffler. It does kind of look mufflery.
These could be car parts.
I think this is a bed, and then that's like the spring that was under the bed. But then there's other bits in here that were.
I hear like a.
This look like, I don't know. Okay, we're gonna through here. Just kind of want to look down this canyon. Yeah. Okay.
Dad, I don't think that's a good idea to go down there. Dad, can I come down there?
No. Yeah. There is a little tiny canyon here. You can, Harper. There's cactus along the sides. So just take your time. Go slow. But that looks like, well, it's just rock. Thought that might be. Brain doesn't want to work.
Oh my god, that looks like poisonous cactus.
Yeah, okay. I don't, just watch your feet and just come down slowly. There we go. So.
Here's the glass.
Oh, wow. That's pretty cool.
Look at this one.
Oh.
We need to make sure these get back to where you guys found them.
Water source.
Yeah, I mean, this definitely gets water through it. But, you know, ooh. You see where the trees drop down?
Yeah.
It makes me wonder if there's not water there, like currently.
Now, how am I going to get back up?
Yep, just slowly turn and head back up.
Oh, Mom, look at that cool cactus behind you.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
And this may have been a well. It does look wellish.
Yeah, I bet you're right.
Yep.
Can I see?
So,
What is this?
water trough,
Okay.
probably for horses or cattle. I'm not sure.
There's the gutter that was on the house.
Yeah. Not sure what this, maybe you can read it. Maybe it says
It's
Bibli.
LLBL. Not good. I don't want to see it.
So this has got to be, you know, where they load cattle. Or maybe give cattle shots or something like that.
I see a whole bunch of ants.
Yeah, it's probably an ant mound.
Yeah, but you're right. It's really interesting out here.
Yep.
I'm just kind of following your footsteps.
Okay. I'm just kind of
You're
trying to watch myself.
You're going on the safest footsteps,
Mm-hmm.
so you won't hurt yourself.
Oh, petrified wood. That was the term I'm looking for. And I don't know if this is.
Here,
So this is probably some kind of spider, ground spider, that grabs things that come out at night.
Yeah, I bet you're right.
I think this is about it.